Sorry for the interruption. We are here now, so we are to evaluate this section, right? So we are going to make use of this to do that. So we go to row 3. Where is our row 3? Our row 3 is 0. So 0 minus 2 times row 1. So we are going to have 0 minus 2 times row 1 prime, which is 1 over 3. So our result here is 2 minus 2 over 3. The next thing is to look at our 0 minus 2 times row 1. This will turn out to be 0. We are going to get 0. And then the last one is our 1. We are going to take 1 minus 2 times 0. This gives us our 1. Okay. Then finally, we look at our 9 minus 2 times this. So here we are going to put it down. So we are going to have 9 minus 2 times row 1 prime, which is 11 over 3. So this is equals to 9 minus 22 over 3, which will give us 27 minus 22 over 3. So simply we have what? 5 over 3. We have 5 over 3. So easily we can see now that we have started achieving moving our identity to the side, because this column now we have it now, right? Okay, so the next thing is to make this row appear like this: 0 0 1 0. Okay, so let's have our matrix move in here. We move here. Our dash here, we move here, and we move our values here. So since we are going to deal with row 2, so what we will do now, we target this, because that's where we want to make it 1. So what do we do to this to make it 1? Simply we can now say our row 2 double prime will be equals to minus 3 over 8 times row 2 prime. Doing that will make this entire product will give us this one to become 1, right? So we do that. This multiplying by 0, the result is 0. So here is 0. If we multiply minus 3 over 8 times minus 8 over 3, we are going to get 1. So we continue that. We are going to get minus 1 over 2. And here we are going to get 1 over 8. Here we are going to get minus 3 over 8. Here we are going to get 0. And here we are going to get 20 over 8. Okay, so now we have our modified row 2. And we are going to make use of it to eliminate anything above and below it. So our new row 1 double row 1 is to make use of this one to eliminate this 2 over 3. So the right thing we will do there is to say that we have our row 1 prime minus 2 over 3 row 2 double prime. This is because row 2 double prime here is 1. So if we multiply it with 2 over 3, this place will be 2 over 3. So we now say R1, which is 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 times 1 is 2 over 3. So this place definitely is going to be 0. So let's evaluate. Here is 0. Here, so we have our 1, because it is 1 minus 2 over 3 times 0. It is 1 minus 2 over 3 times 0 is going to give us 1 here, right? Then the next thing is 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 times 1. This place is now going to be 0, right? The next thing is our minus 1 over 3, which is here, minus 2 over 3 times minus 1 over 2. So let us write it down and see what we are going to get. So we have, what we have here is minus 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3 times minus 1 over 2. This minus 1 over 2 is from here. This minus 2 over 3 is from our equation here. And this minus 1 over 3 is from our row 1 prime, which is here, right? So now let us simplify this. So here, because of this minus, so here become plus, and the 2 cancel 2, so we have 1 over 3 minus 1 over 3, so the entire value here turn out to be 0. So here is going to be 0. Here is going to be 0. We have 0 here. So we do the same thing to this term, and we will end up with 1 over 4. Doing the same thing here is 1 over 4, and here is going to be 0, and here is going to give us 2. We get this 2 from 11, from 11 over 3 minus 2 over 3 times 20. So let's write it down. So we have 11 over 3 minus 2 over 3 times 20 over 8. 20 over 8. So let's simplify. To simplify this, we can easily say, here we say 8 over 8 times this. So we are going to get 88 minus 40 over 3 times 8. This will give us 48 over 3 times 8, and 48 over 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is, okay, here is 40, here is, okay. So we are going to get 48 over 0 over, so we are going to get 48 over 24, which is exactly equals to 2, right? So we are going to get our 2 here. So we have finished with this. So we now come to the last row 3. So in row 3, what we will do is row 3 double prime. We look at what we have in row 3. We want to eliminate minus 7 over 3 and make it 0. So to do that, we just make this one positive 7 over 3 and add them. And that is, we will now say our row 3 prime, which is this one. Then we now add it with 7 over 3 times our row 2 double prime. Row 2 double prime, row 2 double prime. Doing that will make this place 0. So now we start to operate. So here we are going to get 0. So here is going to also be 0. Then this term is going to be as a result of our minus 4 over 3, which is here, right? Minus, okay, plus 7 over 3, which is here, times row R2 double prime, which is minus 1 over 2. R2 double prime is minus 1 over 2. So let's see, what do we have here? We can easily see we have 4 over 3. This times this is going to be minus 7 over 6. So this will give us LCM 6, so it's going to be minus 8. Minus 8 minus 7 over 3 times 8. So this is minus 15 over 3 times 8, which is now going to be minus 3 over, okay, it's going to be minus so let's see. Wannan ya lalace.